Hello everyone. This video will be quite similar as the last ones. It's another gift idea what you can do with the vinyl decals. So in this case I'm using another sparkly one. It looks as well very nice and beautiful, as you can see. And this is the 10-inch tablet case. So you can easily make it's personalized for someone or just for self. So all we have to do the same as always we do, removing the backing paper. Of course you can do like that one, how it's called, the portrait, yeah, but as you can see in this place it's folding. So probably, I'm not sure, but I guess that if you as you're doing the many times opening and closing in this case the decal probably will come off from in there. So that's why I would recommend to use this way. Stick it on, yeah, you see it's even not sticking on this. So yeah, before you, again, yeah, I didn't clean it off. Didn't clean it off the surface, so that's why it's not sticking straight away. But I believe so, it will stay on. It's just a quick example how you can make some personalized tablet case, tablet, iPad, whatever. Always make sure the surface is clean before you are applying, because you see in this case it will stick on, but it wouldn't last long. All I'm trying to do now is just demonstrate how it could look. It will stick anyway, but yeah, but it won't last that long if you will clean it off. See, nice and sparkly. And this looks quite good actually anyway, if you using it this way, not even the way you normally using, because when you're folding, oh well, oh yeah, it's you folding and you sticking like that, but yeah, looks good as idea, as a gift idea. It's very nice. Let's have a look how strong it stays on. Oh yeah, it's actually, yeah, it sticks on, not coming off. Nah, even if not cleaned properly. So yeah, another gift idea or just for self. This looks nice. So I'm sure the decal you can buy from our shop. It will be the link below. Yeah, thanks for the watching and see you in the next video.